There's something truly special about walking barefoot on real wood floors. It's more than just comfort. It's about bringing nature into your home in a way that feels authentic and grounding. Let's talk about why choosing natural wood flooring makes such a difference. When you step onto real wood floors, you instantly feel the warmth and natural texture underfoot. Unlike synthetic options, natural wood adapts to your body temperature, creating a cozy and inviting experience year-round. It's a simple pleasure that makes your home feel like a sanctuary. Beyond the feel, let's talk about the practical benefits. High-quality wood flooring is durable, long-lasting, and easy to maintain. With proper care, it can last for decades, making it a timeless investment for your home. Natural wood floors are also healthier for your indoor environment. With no synthetic layers or chemicals, they reduce the presence of volatile organic compounds, contributing to better air quality. Plus, they're sustainable. When you choose responsibly sourced wood, you're supporting eco-friendly practices that help preserve our planet. And let's not forget the aesthetic appeal. The rich grains, natural patterns, and warm tones of wood flooring elevate any room. Whether your style is modern, rustic, or classic, wooden floors offer a range of finishes to beautifully complement your space. At KTK, we're committed to building homes that combine beauty, comfort, and sustainability. That's why we work with trusted partners who share our vision. Unik Parquet is one of those partners. Their stunning wood flooring combines exceptional craftsmanship with eco-conscious values, making them a perfect fit for our homes. So, if you're ready to take off your shoes and feel the nature, explore our exclusive Unik Parquet collection. Visit ktk.ca today to learn more and bring this timeless beauty into your home.